Hello, baby. I'm glad to see you're here waiting for me again, curled up under that blanket. So cozy. I've been longing to be here with you again, to bring you pleasure. Let me look at you. You're so sexy, so beautiful. I've been imagining you here, wanting me, longing for me as much as I long for you. I've been dreaming of touching you, of running my fingers through your beautiful silky hair, nuzzling it as I breathe in the floral scent. Imagine me sitting down beside you now. I lean in close and lift your hair, glide my lips along your soft neck. Can you feel my breath against your skin? I can see you trembling. I love that. The thought that my words excite you turns me on. I'm going to kiss you now, baby. Press my lips to yours and glide my tongue into your mouth. Imagine how it feels to share that sweet intimacy with me. The thought of that's turning you on, isn't it, baby? I ease you back on the couch, your sweet lips still joined with mine. I love the taste of you, the feel of your soft body beneath me. The feel of your tongue exploring my mouth is driving me wild. God, I want you so bad. I can hear your heart pounding. I draw back and gaze into your beautiful eyes and see the need there. I capture your lips again, driving my tongue deep this time, reveling in your heat. I sit back up, taking you with me, and pull you onto my lap facing me. Unbutton your shirt for me, baby. I want to see you. That's right, all the way.